Hey, what's going on? This is Ty, and this is a box of 2008 Donruss Gridiron gear. Always a great product, year to year. I have busted one already. Was pretty decent. It had that nice patch of Fred Taylor and that Jamal Charles triple Gridiron gem autograph, which are always nice. So, got one more box. See if I can do a little better. Looking for my favorite player, Marcus Colston, my favorite team, the Giants. Favorite rookie this year is Chris Johnson, and probably Donnie Avery. Looking for the pull-out jumbos and the Gridiron gems. And a lot more stuff in this product, actually. It's just got a wide range of nice hits from year to year, like I said. We got the checklist in front and 18 packs. Yeah, 18 packs. And we'll start with the first one here. And it does have a cardboard filler. Ronnie Brown, Marshawn Lynch, the filler. Peyton Manning playbook, very nice. I got an Eli in the last one, 147 of 500. Peyton playbook, Brandon Jacobs, and Kellen Winslow Jr. Another filler, Julius Jones, Roy Williams, the filler, Carson Palmer, Brett Favre Jets, and Mark Clayton. And you do get 3 hits per box, autographs or memorabilia. That one does not have a filler, it is a jersey card. So we'll pull the back base around. Derek Mason, Tom Brady, Brian Urlacher, John Kitna, Hines Ward, and they're very nice Tony Romo O jersey patch. Last year I got a plates and patches of him from Gridiron Gear that was very nice. 60 of 100, a base O parallel jersey card of Tony Romo. So a decent start so far, a Romo jersey. And there are 2 hits left, should be a memorabilia and an autograph. There's a filler, Trent Edwards, Larry Johnson, the cardboard filler, Jamarcus Russell, Terrell Owens, Donovan McNabb, no filler there, that is some kind of jersey card. So we will bring the back base around. Tony Romo base, Zach Miller, Torrey Holt base, Selvin Young, Ben Roethlisberger, and it is a plates and patches, very nice patches of Willis McGahee, a 2-colored white and black, and then a 2-colored black and gold patch. A very nice plates and patches card of McGahee, 68 of 100. The plates and patches are always nice. Dual. Usually you get one multicolored patch and a single color, but I got 2 multicolor there. So we've got 1 hit left, and it should be the autograph. There is a filler, Anquan Bolden, John Beck, the filler, Simeon Castille rookie card, same as the last box, 132 of 999, Plexico Burris, and Derek Anderson. Another filler, Fred Taylor, Joey Galloway, Tashard Choice rookie card, 220 of 999, Brian Westbrook, Jay Cutler. Another filler, Lawrence Maroney, Clinton Portis, John Kitna X, 88 of 100 parallel, Justin Fargas, and Marion Barber III. Last pack on this half. That would suck to hit them all in the first half and then just have a half a base. Another filler, Jarius Norwood, Ted Ginn Jr., who had a big game this week. Another playbook, B. West, Brian Westbrook, 200 of 250. And Jericho Cotchery and Braylon Edwards. So we're on to the second half here. 9 packs left, halfway through the box. With 1 hit left, an autograph. Another filler, Santonio Holmes, Edgerrin James, Ollie Highsmith, same as the last box, 804 of 999, Randy Moss, and Devin Hester. Another filler, Matt Leinart, Lindell White, player timeline of Zach Thomas, 58 of 500, Ryan Grant, and Antonio Gates. Another filler, Matt Schaub, Vernon Davis, Roydell Williams X, 231 of 250, Rudy Johnson, and Lavernius Coles. 6 packs left. 2/3 of the box gone. It is a filler, Anthony Gonzalez, Jeff Garcia, Chester Taylor, Jake Delhomme, and Eli Manning. Another filler, Drew Brees, Maurice Jones-Drew, Aaron Rodgers, LaDainian Tomlinson, Roddy White, another filler, Lee Evans, Rex Grossman, Marcus Henry Rookie X, 86 of 100. Nice rookie card parallel, Reggie Wayne, and Steven Jackson. 3 packs left. And that is not a filler, that is my last hit, so I'm going to place it right here on the keyboard, and we will get to that after these last 2 packs of base. Calvin Johnson, Phillip Rivers, Terrence Wheatley rookie card, same as last box, 13 of 999, Marcus Colston, favorite player, and TJ Hujmanzada. Last pack besides the hit. Joseph Adai, Mark Bulger, Michael Turner, Adrian Peterson, and D'Angelo Williams. So now we are at the very last pack with the last hit. It is a memorabilia card, so hopefully it's a memorabilia autograph. Tarvaris Jackson, Steve Smith, Reggie Bush, Vince Young, Peyton Manning, and it is right here. An autograph. Oh man, that's a nice card. Joe Flacco triple patch autograph. Rookie Gridiron Gems. 20 of 50. That is an amazing card with 3 amazing patches. A football, a 2-color black and purple. Amazing. Looks like a nameplate patch. And then black and gold. Looks like definitely part of the logo. That is an amazing autograph card right there. An amazing box with that Flacco card there at the end. Definitely save this box. That is an amazing card right there. And with as good as he's having a rookie year so far, that could go up a lot. That could be an amazing card in the future. So definitely a nice break. As always with Gridiron Gear, always get some good hits. I got some better than average hits this time. Definitely a very good box as usual. See you next time.